Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the Windows widget surface, because without it you can't add or customize cards. Right-click the taskbar and choose News and Interests. Once done, pick the icon or Open View so widgets appear. Make sure to sign into your Microsoft account to sync interests and ensure personalized cards load. This step activates the widget host process and lets you add, move, and remove content. You'll use the taskbar icon to jump into configuration immediately. Once the pane is open, you customize which cards show and why they matter to you. Click the Profile or Settings cog to edit interests and toggle topics so the feed surfaces relevant items. Use Add Widget Plus to insert weather, sports, traffic, stocks, or calendar cards. Each accepts brief config like location or ticker. Drag cards to reorder for priority, and use the three-dot menu on a card to remove it or request fewer similar stories so the pane learns your preferences. To finalize, pin frequently used widgets or create shortcuts so you access them quickly. This keeps your workflow efficient. If widgets won't load, restart Windows Explorer or check for Windows updates. Many widget issues resolve after a restart or update. If problems persist, clear the widget app cache by opening Settings, going to Apps, finding News and Interests, and choosing Reset. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure Group Policy or Registry hasn't disabled the feature, especially on managed machines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.